Good morning students, class 10, chapter number 9, some application of trigonometry. In the previous video, we have complete question number 6. Now we have to start question number 8. It is a very important question. A statue 1.6 meter tall stands on the top of a pedestal. एक 1.6 मीटर स्टेचू है जो एक पेडेस्टल के ऊपर है. So we suppose that AB is the statue which is put on a pedestal and the height of the statue is 1.6 meter. Okay, and BC is the pedestal. From a point on the ground, we suppose it is a point on the ground. The angle of elevation when the observer नीचे होता है एंड ऑब्जेक्ट ऊपर होता है, देन वी कंसिडर एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन. सो एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन ऑफ द टॉप ऑफ अ स्टेचू इज 60 डिग्री. यानी कि जब यहाँ पर ऑब्जर्वर है और वो यहाँ से स्टेचू के टॉप को देखता है तो एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन 60 डिग्री. सो वी जॉइन P to A, we join P to A, and it is a line of sight and it is angle of elevation 60 degree. From the same point, angle of elevation of the top of a pedestal is 45 degree. इसी पॉइंट से जब पेडेस्टल के टॉप को ऑब्जर्व किया गया तो एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन इज 45 डिग्री. So its angle is 60 degree, and now we join so angle of elevation is 45 degree. Find the height of the pedestal. In the question we have to find out height of the pedestal and we suppose it x meter. Firstly, we describe the figure. In the figure, AB is statue. इसमें AB statue है and the BC is pedestal. BC आपकी pedestal है and PC is the ground and P is observer and PA, PB, these are lines of sight. So it is a short description of the figure. Now we have to consider that there are two right angle triangles, so we just prepare two columns. First column for triangle APC and the second column for triangle BPC. In the first column triangle APC, in the second column triangle BPC. In the triangle APC, angle is 60 degree perpendicular. The side opposite to given angle is called perpendicular, which is AC, and its value is 1.6 plus h meter. In the second column triangle BPC, in which theta is 45 degree perpendicular BC, which is h meter, and the base is x meter. In the question, base is PC, which is also x meter. So in the both columns there are two unknown values, so we can simplify any triangle. So firstly we simplify this column. So trigonometric ratio in which perpendicular and base both are included. Obviously formula tan theta is equal to perpendicular upon base. So tan 45 degree is equal to h upon x. after cross multiply x is equal to h. So in the second column we find out value of x. Similarly in the first column we also find out value of x. Trigonometric ratio again tan theta is equal to perpendicular upon base. So tan 60 degree is equal to 1.6 plus h upon x, tan 60 under root 3, and after cross multiply x under root 3 is equal to 1.6 plus h. So x is equal to 1.6 plus h upon under root 3. So here are two values of x. So we now compare these two values. So 1.6 plus h upon under root 3 is equal to h. After cross multiply 1.6 plus h is equal to h under root 3. So h under root 3 minus h is equal to 1.6. Taking h as a common is equal to 1.6. So finally what is the value of h? 1.6 upon under root 3 minus 1. To simplify it, we rationalize the denominator. So multiply by under root 3 plus 1 in numerator and denominator both. Under root 3 plus 1 से हमने multiply करी है numerator and denominator both. So h is equal to 1.6 in a bracket under root 3 plus 1 in the denominator. Apply the formula of a minus b into a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. 1.6 into under root 3 plus 1 upon 2. So finally value of h is 0.8 under root 3 plus 1 meter. So it is the height of pedestal. I hope the question is clear. Again repeat, angle of elevation is the angle between line of sight and horizontal line when line of sight is above the horizontal line, and it is compulsory to describe the figure in a short. So I hope the question is clear. Just note down. Okay, now question number 9. In the question number 9, angle of elevation of the top of a building from the foot of the tower. In the question there are two figures. We have to represent building and tower. So you have to revise that. If in a question building and tower both are given, then generally we draw tower is greater than building. Generally हम tower को building से greater show करते हैं. But after the question we observe that कि जो हमने सपोज किया कि टावर बिल्डिंग से ग्रेटर है वो करेक्ट भी है या नहीं. बट जनरली आप टावर को बिल्डिंग से ग्रेटर ही ड्रॉ करेंगे. सो इट इज अ बिल्डिंग एंड इट इज अ टावर. नाउ व्हाट इज द क्वेश्चन? एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन ऑफ द टॉप ऑफ अ बिल्डिंग. ऑफ द टॉप ऑफ बिल्डिंग का मतलब है कि बिल्डिंग के टॉप को देखा जा रहा है फ्रॉम द फुट ऑफ द टावर. टावर के फुट से. इट्स मीन ऑब्जर्वर यहां पर खड़ा है और वो टावर के बिल्डिंग के टॉप को देखता है. सो एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन. सो एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन इज 30 डिग्री. एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन इज 30 डिग्री. After this, and the angle of elevation, again angle of elevation of the top of a tower. अब की बार टावर के टॉप को देखा जा रहा है कहां से? फ्रॉम द फुट ऑफ द बिल्डिंग. बिल्डिंग के फुट से. तो बिल्डिंग के फुट से टावर के टॉप को जब देखा जा रहा है तो एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन इज 60 डिग्री. Because we observe that this angle is greater, so the side opposite to is also greater. So it's mean tower is greater than building. फाइंड द हाइट ऑफ द, आपको इस क्वेश्चन में टावर की हाइट गिवन है 50 मीटर and we have to find out height of the building and we suppose it as x meter. So in the question again two right angle triangles are given, so we just divide the question into two columns. Firstly we describe the figure in the short. Now I am only dictate. AB represent a building, CD represent a tower, BC is a ground, BD is a ground, and these two lines are lines of sight. Now we divide the question into two columns. In the first column we write down triangle ABD and in the second column triangle BCD. In triangle ABD, theta is 30 degree perpendicular the side opposite to given angle, which is h meter, and the base is x meter. In triangle BCD, angle is 60 degree perpendicular the side opposite to given angle, which is 50 meter, and the base is x meter. So simply you observe that in this column there is only one unknown value. So firstly we find out value of x, and after this we calculate this column. So the trigonometric ratio we apply for perpendicular and base. Tan theta equal to perpendicular upon base, tan 60 degree equal to 50 upon x, under root 3 equal to 50 upon x, and after cross multiply x under root 3 is equal to 50. So x is equal to 50 upon under root 3. Now we simplify first column. Again we use trigonometric ratio for perpendicular and base, and the tan theta is equal to perpendicular upon base, tan 30 degree is equal to h upon x, 1 upon under root 3 is equal to h upon x. So x is equal to h under root 3. Now we put the value of x. So now simplify here. So 50 upon under root 3 is equal to h under root 3, and after cross multiply 3h is equal to 50. So h is equal to 50 upon 3. It means 16:2 upon 3 meter. So it is the height of the building. I hope the question is clear. I again repeat, in a question if building and tower both are given, then generally we draw that tower is larger than building. But after the question it also observe that if we are right or wrong, but generally tower हमेशा building से greater ही consider की जाती है. Describe the figure is compulsory but in a short, and if two right angle triangles given, then divide the question into two columns and simplify. I hope the question is clear. Note down, and the next video we continue chapter number 9. Thank you.